Well, it is important because it makes a huge difference to people's lives. An artificial hip, for example, revolutionises the quality of life of somebody who got rotten osteoarthritis of the hip. There are numerous devices that are really terribly important for patients, and that's why we felt we should incorporate it in the Prix Galien. Traditionally, the Prix Galien has been medicines, and it was started off really as medicines. But as I said, many devices make a massive difference to the quality of life of patients. And so we felt we should recognise the people who develop and produce devices like that, medtech products, in the same way as you recognise pharmaceuticals. Well, of course, diagnostics are terribly important, increasingly important when we come to personalised medicine, because very often the medicine is indicated for those people who have a particular abnormality in their gene or their tumour gene or something like that. And the in vitro diagnostics are crucial in targeting the right drug to the right person. So in vitro diagnostics play a huge role, much greater than they did in the days gone by. It is important we should do it, not just for us, but it's important for the people who develop medtech products. It's important for the companies who develop medtech products. And they deserve just as much recognition as their colleagues in pharmaceuticals. By innovation, what I mean is products that meet a real unmet medical need. So a little tweak on an artificial hip isn't necessarily innovation, but producing a new artificial joint that is almost as good as the one you were born with, that would be real innovation in the ankles and the shoulders and so on. So those would be real innovations, and those are the sorts of things we want to encourage, as well as in vitro diagnostics and other areas too. One of the things we'll be looking at is what was the evidence that the manufacturer and the developers assembled in order to put it on the market. I hope they will look on it favourably, because it's an opportunity for them to showcase their products and their business, and many pharmaceutical companies take that view, and I would hope that medtech companies would take a similar view. And it's an opportunity not just to showcase, but it's also an opportunity for the wider world to recognise the contributions they've made, and congratulate them and thank them for what they've done.